You have heard the word AI agent, right? What is the AI agent? Anything, whatever you know.
It perform tasks based on some LLM, uh, like
Your What are the AI agents? How many AI agents you know till now?
like uh, Claude and
Cloud. Cloud is not.
Copilot, Claude.
We won't call it as a AI agent.
GitHub Copilot.
GitHub Copilot is a AI agent,
Mm.
right? Why we call it as a AI agent? Because it is dedicated for your programming only. Just like that notebook LM. This is a AI agent created by Google, which is only dedicated for your learning. It can do limited number of things only. If you provide any PDF, it can extract all the information from it, and it can provide you, let's say you have a PDF which has some category, and inside that category again subcategories are there. It can create a tree diagram of it. If you provide a YouTube video, it can get you all the information whatever there is in YouTube in a readable format. You don't have a time to watch all the long video. Let's say you have a video of today's news, and you don't have time to go through 10 minutes video. You just want, you know title, what things are there, put it over there, you will get what things are there. Okay, so try to explore this notebook LM. When we talk about GenAI, so GenAI as an Angular developer, or as a full stack developer has more to do, but as an Angular developer we cannot directly create AI agent, because it involves backend technology. But at least what we should do, we should be aware about it. What are LLM model? What is machine learning? What is AI? How What happens when you write a prompt? What should be in their prompt? When you write a prompt and put it to your anything, what happens actually? Right? How does AI understand that prompt, and how do you get the output? This whole thing you should have clear. Not a single moving ahead. This is very important. In interview also this question will start now, because most of the work we are going to do with the AI. So you should understand how does AI works, right? You might have seen the article where cloud is now, it's not like plan wise. What much you use, that much you have to pay, as like your AWS or something. So now you cannot waste your prompt. So if you are not clear when you write a prompt what will happen, so you will be wasting your prompt, and that much money also you will waste, right? So slowly I will be, after once we are done with the session, slowly these things also I will try to explain. Okay, fine. So just give it a try to notebook LM, see what it can do. Okay. I was telling, like, once let's say you have completed the topics. Let's say today you completed array, you have done the task also. Now use the chat GPT. Okay, say it like this, that I am, context. Whenever you are writing a prompt should have a context. See what you are working on. I'm learning JavaScript, or let's say first time, or you know it already, whatever. Specify it like that. First time. In that, today I completed array creation, how to access array, its element, and how to change value of particular index. This is what we have seen till now. Now let's say you need more task. Okay, so you can say this is your context. Yeah, this is what I'm working now. What you need, provide tasks which will help me to better improve my knowledge. Let's say, okay, see, one by one element access. Whatever we have seen, basically it will show you that find the length of the array, add new element. So now here it has showed you push and unshift, like remove element. Okay, loop through. How do you loop through an element? How do you iterate? Let's say you have an array and you have to get a sum of it. How can you do that? So simple task it is giving. Count now even number from your array. You have to count the even number. Here you will need your for loop and everything. Reverse an array. Reverse method is there in array. Okay, check if an element has particular text present or not. Let's say this is an array and you want to check if number 3 is present or not. So many methods are there. We will see it tomorrow. Okay, but use chat gpt also like that. Let's try the same task, put it into notebook lm. Now here you see we don't have directly chat box. We don't have that. In chat gpt we had a chat box we could ask, but here we don't have something. Either you have to upload a video, upload a file, then only your chat will start. Then you will get the chat box. Okay, let's try. I will provide a JavaScript array. Let's pass some video where we have someone might have explained JavaScript array. Okay, let's go with array. Copy. This is the video URL. I'm putting it over here. Now it is reading what contents are there in the video. See, it got the title and everything. Now it will get you all the information from that array, from that video. See, now your chat box will open. Now you ask it, from this video, is it explained how to use push and pop method? Now it will find the video. From the video information it will find if the video has explanation of this. Yes, video provide the detailed explanation of how to use both push and pop method. Understood? Let's ask it to create a tree mind map generator. Where it is? Mind map. Let's try mind map. It, from your information it can create a quiz also. It can create a report also. It can generate an audio also. See, generate an AI podcast. If let's say you have some text, some script you have, and now you want to create an audio. You might have seen some YouTube video where AI voice is there. So you put some script and it will create an audio for you. That is also there. Based on the information, it can create a table also. Let's see this. This is what I was talking about. JavaScript array, it has in this video, what is major thing? Whatever the information you have in that video, it will create as a tree diagram. It has basic creation. If you click on it, again, what things are there in basic creation? Collection of data, linear data structure, comparison of data type, array object, type object, indices, right? Looping an array. How do you loop an array? Standard loop, for in loop, array method. See, starting, ending, practice application. Understood? So whatever the information you had in that video, according to that, it has created a tree diagram of it. So this is what the power of notebook LM. Now ChatGPT also can do this, but not on this level. It will do the spelling mistake over here. If you have used ChatGPT and if you ask it to create some PDF or something, it mostly does the spelling mistake. It will create almost similar, but spelling mistake will be there. Because ChatGPT is a very generalized tool. It doesn't focus on a particular thing. But Notebook LM, this is a dedicated tool. This model is trained on particular learning only. Understood? Okay. So give it a try. As a developer, you have to be familiar ki when you use multiple AI tools like this, then your mind get clear and then it get clear ki, yeah, how AI agent works or how different AI tools are there, how they do, how they work. If you know, that how it are working, then you will be able to figure out how they might be working. Try to do the same thing on chat gpt. It might not get you the output what this notebook lm is giving you. Okay, so if you saw the video, I had some question and answer. By using that question answer, I needed that data which I was filling it to some different application. In 1 or 2 day you will see that video where I have created an mcq. Whatever the question option and correct option, I have created an mcq. User can actually fill that mcq. Okay, understood? So use it and try to see what are the use cases are there. Fine. Anyone having any question around this? Okay, fine then. Let's connect tomorrow. Thank you all for joining.
Thank you.